fish.
Hello, Mr. Theo.
Theo.
Whoa! Howdy.
What's cooking today, Theo, my big water buffalo chow?
Oh boy, yeah.
Is squished fish on a dish.
Delish.
1. Squish the fish.
Squish the fish. Squish, squish, squish the fish. 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 Squish the.
I think that's
What?
enough. We don't want it over squished, do we?
Whoa! No, we don't. Hate over squished fish. Ugh. Ugh.
2. Put the squished fish on the dish.
Squished fish on the dish. Mwah.
3. Cook the squished fish on a dish for 1 hour until it is brownish.
1 hour? Nah.